Good hello, just a short one today. Some random boss monster designs, nothing too much. I was just sort of scribbling around, like this thing with tentacled stick figure fingers. The kind of creatures that appear throughout the game are very all over the place, just sort of wacky and silly. Because why not? They're the sort of things that you'd want to murder. I would like to do some of these live, I think. I haven't live streamed in a long time, but now that the new computer is working, it may actually be possible. If you're a long time viewer, you'll probably be familiar with that. My live streams have been notorious for just not. But I think when things are this sort of random, rather than just sort of doing it all off and then recapping it like this, it would be better to, actually have some input. Have you throw words and objects my way and we sort of mash it all together. Like this guy. This would be appearing in a level that's like, it's like an urban jungle sort of thing. So graffiti skate park, but also overgrown and jungle-like. So this guy, he's skateboard. He's a saxophone. He does jazz scat singing while skating. That's funny. There's another one called Ratuist, who is a rat with tattoo guns for arms. And this guy, he'll probably appear in the hedge maze level, I think. There's just this buff flower. He's punch your face in. Yeah, so not too much to talk about today, but if you're interested in joining for a live one where you can all sort of collaborate ideas and it all comes together that way, express your interest in comments, because if no one's really interested, then I'll sort of just keep doing it my own way. But it will be fun to do it with an audience, I think. Thanks.